Hawak na ng mga kapulisan ang isang lalaking kumukuha lamang ng kanyang police clearance, ngunit napag-alaman na may nakabinbin palang kasong paglabag sa Republic Act 7610 o ang Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act. Alamin ang buong detalye ng balita mula kay Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor.
Hawak na ng kapulisan ng Lapu-Lapu City ang isang suspect na wanted person matapos itong nagtangkang kumuha ng National Police Clearance at nadeskobreng may kaso itong Other Sexual Abuse, Republic Act 7610 o Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act sa Police Station 5, Barangay Pusok, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu nito lamang nakaraan. Kinilala ang suspect na si Nestor, 45 anyos na residente ng Bagong Silingan, Barangay Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. Ayon kay Police Captain Neron Ivan Zarzuelo, officer in charge ng Police Station 5, Lapu-Lapu City Police Office, hindi na nakauwi ang suspect at diretso sa kulungan upang harapin ang kasong Other Sexual Abuse, Republic Act 7610 o Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation and Discrimination Act na may 200,000 pisong rekomendadong piyansa. Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Police Station 5 LCPO ang suspect para sa dokumentasyon at tamang disposisyon.
Mga kababayan, the Trunker Team of Police Station 5, Lapu-Lapu City Police Office, under the leadership of Police Colonel Dayan Vicente Agustin, City Director LCPO, successfully served warrant of arrest against an accused from Ubay, Bohol. This accomplishment forms part of the continuing efforts of LCPO personnel in its campaign to account wanted person and bring them to the courts of the law so that justice will be served to the victims. The Lapu-Lapu City Police Office remains steadfast to upholding the law and ensuring the safety and security of the community through relentless police operations.
Tinitiyak ng Lapu-Lapu City na sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio C. Nartates Jr., Acting Chief PNP ay magpapatuloy ang pagtutok ng PNP upang mapanagot ang lahat ng mga kriminal na nagtatago sa batas saan mang sulok ng bansa.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent Patrolwoman Judith Nicanor, lagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.